time that I share, the time I share. Didn't take for granted. Ooh, up on my side, hand in hand, could never be denied. I'll be smiling, though in my heart I'm missing you.
Hey, it's me again. You know what? I wanted to let you know that if you're interested in purchasing this book for your collection, you can find this amongst many other books written by young authors at www.youngauthors.publishing.org. And you can also follow them on your social media handle at Young Authors Publishing. Thanks so much. Till we read again. Bye. Hello? Yes, that's perfect. Maybe next week, Thursday. No, sorry, 1 second. Hold on, I'll be right there. Yeah, so, no, we can schedule the meeting for Friday and then, great, thank you. Izzy, can you hold on a second? I'm so sorry. Bye-bye. Hun, just give me 1 second. I'm just finishing up dinner, okay? Oh my gosh. Welcome to another life of me in the life of. It's so busy. Listen, most importantly, I wanted to let you guys know that this book means a little something special to me because it was written by a child. It's called Dinner Table Distractions, written by Addison. Now, as you can see, I was a little distracted with my business call, and then Izzy was calling me, and I'm trying to juggle everything at the same time, but sometimes we as parents let our electronics get in the way, and we need to see that our children need our attention. Now, I love this book because it was written through the eyes of a child, and I'm so excited to read it with you. So let's sit back, grab a snack, and read Dinner Table Distractions, written by Addison Gordon.
Dinner Table Distractions, written by Addison Gordon, illustrated by Renata Smuglova. Addie lives in a small village in San Francisco, California. She lives with her mom, Selena, her dad, Fred, and her little sister, Lucy. Addie loves spending time with her family. Addie loves to cook with her mom. Her favorite thing to cook is pizza. She likes chicken, spinach, and extra cheese on her pizza. Yum! She exclaims every time. When Addie's family sits at the table to eat their meal, they are always talking. There isn't a single phone in sight. How was your day? Mom questions. Everyone begins talking at once. After dinner, Addie puts the dishes in the sink while her parents wash them. "Let's go play, Addie!" Lucy screams before tagging Addie and running outside. Now Addie is in the 6th grade and her parents are both entrepreneurs, which means they own their own businesses and are extremely busy. Lucy is in the 4th grade and their days are filled with school and homework. Most nights, Addie or her mom cooks dinner, sometimes not even focusing on the task. Her whole family stays on their computer or phone, working on tasks from the previous day. One day during lunch, Addie and all her friends talked about where they went out to eat last night. "I had to go pick up food with my dad again, while everyone else stayed at home and worked," whines Addie. When Addie gets home, she sees everyone working. Throwing herself on her bed, she thinks about how times have changed and now everyone seems too busy to spend time together. "I wish my family could spend more time together. What can I do about this?" ponders Addie. Drifting asleep, she thinks about a day when her family can spend quality time together again. The next morning, Addie decides to call a family meeting. "We need to have some family time around here. I want to have a nice dinner where everyone is talking and no one is on their phones," Addie shouts in a loud voice. Slowly, everyone nods their heads. "Yes. Yeah, that sounds great," her mom agrees. "The weekend is finally here," Addie exclaims as she wakes up. Addie can't wait to cook a delicious meal with her family this weekend. She gets out of bed and she wakes up Lucy by jumping up and down on her bed. Later on in the day, Addie's family goes to the store to buy ingredients for the pizza. Everyone begins to argue about what they want on their pizza. I want pepperoni on mine, Addie exclaims. No, I only want cheese on my pizza, Lucy says. When they get home, Addie and her mom make the pizza. They toss the pizza extra high in the air and the dough falls flat on Addie's head. Oh no! Now we have to start all over, Addie screams. It's okay. We have more pizza and toppings to make, her mom laughs as she lifts the dough from Addie's head. On Monday, Addie goes back to school and tells her friends what she did. My family and I had a big meal together with no distractions, Addie says happily. Cool. I wish my family could spend more time together too, one of her friends says. Spending time with your family is important, Addie states. From then on, Addie and her family eat dinner with no distractions, and they have enough time for each other every night. I'm so happy that I get to spend time with my family.
Oh my gosh, wasn't this book amazing? You know, first and foremost, I would like to thank Young Authors Publishing for sending us this book to read on our channel. And shout out to Addison. Like, how did you even think about writing a book like this? It's simply fabulous and insightful. And really, like me as a parent, it really gave me a wake-up call to ensure that I spend more quality family time with my children. You know, take a break from this thing that seems to take up, so much time. Like, you know, we have business and all, but I mean, there's a time and a place for everything, and definitely we need to ensure that we put our family time in there because those memories cannot be erased. So don't forget to click the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you know when we're coming up with new videos. All right, till we read again. Bye. Good job, Addison.